2024 BMW R1300GS. The new version should be a little easier to adapt for shorter and taller riders. 2024 BMW R1300GS as shown, $19,890 MSRP. With the unveiling of the lighter, more technologically sophisticated, and more compact 2024 BMW R1300GS, the next generation of Bavarian adventure touring has here. It is a motorcycle with origins in the R80GS, which was introduced in 1980. Although there are few external similarities between the two vehicles, apart from the Boxer twin, the new vehicle shares many core principles with its forebear. The GS line has undergone its largest aesthetic and technology overhaul in quite some time, and BMW is clearly eager to keep the bike competitive with its European rivals. The appearance is the most obvious change, and it represents a complete departure for BMW from the asymmetric front headlight. Although it appears that every component of the bike has been fettled and improved to make it lighter, more responsive, and simpler to ride, certain classic motifs can still be found behind the new, slimmed-down shell. Data and equipment. The BMW R1300GS. The BMW R1300GS embodies the pure essence of the GS spirit. Its relatively low weight, combined with the powerful 145 horsepower Boxer and generous 1300 ccm displacement, makes it the hour best in the large touring enduro segment. The goal during development was maximal reduction instead of ever-increasing size. The result, inimitable handling. Despite its low complexity, it has more comprehensive standard equipment than ever before. Learn everything you need to know about the technical data and extensive equipment options here. 2024 BMW R1300GS engine, rated output 145 horsepower at 7,750 RPM. Emission control closed-loop 3-way catalytic converter, Type Air, liquid-cooled 4-stroke flat twin engine with double overhead and chain-driven camshafts, BMW Shift Cam, bore X-stroke 106.5mm x 73mm. Capacity 1,300 cubic centimeters. Maximum torque 110 pound-foot at 6,500 RPM, compression ratio 13.3:1, mixture control electronic intake pipe injection. (2024 BMW R1300GS performance or fuel consumption. Maximum speed over 120 miles per hour, fuel type super unleaded, 95 ROZ Iran. Adaptive fuel quality regulation, 91 to 98 ROZ Iran. 2024 BMW R1300GS electrical system. Alternator 3-phase alternator with 650 W, nominal power, battery 12V, 10Ah lithium-ion battery. (2024 BMW R1300GS power transmission, clutch wet clutch, slipper clutch, hydraulically operated, gearbox claw-shifted 6-speed gearbox, drive cardan shaft drive. Traction control BMW Motorrad DTC. 2024 BMW R1300GS chassis or brakes, frame 2-part frame consisting of main frame, bolted rear frame, and load-bearing engine, front wheel location or suspension, BMW Motorrad EVO telelever. Handlebar tilting decoupled via flex element, central shock absorber, rear wheel location or suspension. BMW Motorrad EVO paralever, cast aluminum single-sided swing arm, transversal connected swing arm bearings. Central WAD spring strut, spring preload fully adjustable, suspension travel, front or rear 7.5 inch 7.9, wheelbase 59.8, caster 4.4. Steering head angle 63.8 degrees, wheels aluminum cast wheels, rim, front 3.00 by 19, rim. Rear 4.50 by 17, tire, front 120/70R19. Tire, rear 170/60R17, brake, front, Twin disc brake, semi-floating brake discs, diameter 310 mm. For piston radial brake caliper, brake, rear, single disc brake, diameter 285 mm. 2-piston floating caliper, ABS BMW Motorrad full integral ABS Pro, lean angle optimized. (2024) BMW R1300GS dimensions or weights, seat height at and laden weight 33.4 inch. Inner leg curve at and laden weight 74.8, usable tank volume 5.0 gallons. Reserve approximate 1 gallon, length 87.1, over splash guard, height 55.4, above windshield, width 39.4, over hand guard, and laden weight, road ready, fully fueled 523 pounds. Permitted total weight 1,025 pounds, payload, with standard equipment, 502 pounds. (2024) BMW R1300GS standard equipment, TFT display with BMW Motorrad connectivity, LED matrix headlight, dynamic traction control, DTC. BMW Motorrad full integral ABS Pro, for riding modes, Eco, Rain, Road, Enduro, Hill Start Control, HSC, Dynamic Brake Control, DBC, Dynamic Cruise Control, DCC, Engine Drag Torque Control, MSR, Tire Pressure Monitor, TPM, Keyless Ride, Heated Grips, Smartphone Charging Compartment with a USB charging socket. Hand protection with integrated indicator lamps. 2024 BMW R1300GS optional equipment DSA. Electronic suspension with load compensation and spring rate adjustment, adaptive vehicle height control. Heated seat for rider and passenger, Headlight Pro, additional LED headlight, riding assistant, forged enduro wheels, central locking system. 2024 BMW R1300GS optional accessories, Vario luggage system, tank bag, Enduro engine guard, Enduro headlight guard, cylinder head cover guard, and much more.